Welcome back YouTube to Rick's YouTube channel. Today's video I'm going to show you how you can switch on and off your DJI Mini drone. So we've had two new drones released in 2022, the DJI SE, Mini SE, and also the DJI Mini 3. So the SE is an entry level drone. It's really cheap now. There is a lot of people buying these drones, and taking it out the box and switching it on and then switching it off, there's hardly any instructions, and it's always been like that since the DJI Mini when I made that video all them years ago of how to turn it off. So I'm going to quickly show you how to turn your controller on. Press the power button once, you'll see the battery pop up, then press it again and hold it. That is your controller on. Same with your drone. Press it once, it'll quick do a battery test. Hold it, it'll do a little test, and that will be your drone on. To switch your controller off, press it once, press it again until it makes that noise. Same with the drone. Press it once, press it again, hold it, release. And that's how you switch your Mini on and off. Remember, if you do like these videos, please leave a like, subscribe, and I shall get back to you with another one. Thanks for watching.